So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy XRP here on crypto.com. So once crypto.com's opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here, go to where it says buy in the top left and press on that. Once you're here, just go to the top, go to the search bar, and if you're looking to buy XRP, you can just simply type in XRP right here. Once XRP is selected, you can go ahead and either choose a cash transaction or a crypto transaction. Either one will work. So for example, if you wanted to buy XRP with Bitcoin, you can do that. So I'll just go to cash right here, type in the amount that you're looking to buy. So for example, 31.51 XRP is $138.59 Canadian, and you can select your method of payment. So for me, Apple Pay is selected, but you can go ahead and select credit, debit, whatever the case may be. And if all looks good, go to the bottom, press on buy, and proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy XRP on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.